So it'll actually have something to download and show you how to download the video into your phone. I've noticed a lot of your videos on the Hover that are reviewing it don't really go into the application on how to download it into your phone once you've made the video. So okay, that ought to be enough video. Hope this will turn out okay. Now I'll let her land. Okie dokie. Well, the first thing I need to do here is to make a video to download. The first thing you need to do is turn your Hover on. You long press that button and it will come on. It'll show you your batteries, strength.
Current mode, Hover.
And it'll tell you the last mode it was shut off in. Then you want to turn your Bluetooth on. You don't have to do anything else, just turn it on. Open your app. When you open your app, it'll Bluetooth to the Hover, and then it will connect wireless. It'll connect Wi-Fi to your Hover. And you can see here it says Hover settings. It has this extra little icon right here called Hover's album. Mine is empty right now. So what I'm going to do, then you tap Hover settings. Well, it's already connected. Let me disconnect with it. Now when I turn this back on, you tap here to connect to your drone. It'll come up and say connect. And connecting, and done. If when you start your phone you already have this little icon, which isn't normally there, that says Hover's album, then your drone is already connected. You don't have to do that connection. So once you connect to your drone, leave the app open, set right where it is, and I always put my phone in my pocket, and all this audio is coming direct off my phone. I've got my drone on. It's in Hover.
Zoom out. Follow. Orbit. Bird eye. Custom. Dolly. Hover.
And I want it in Hover. So what I'm going to do here is make a little video with the drone because I don't have any in here.
Continue. Hover.
Okay, now I'm making a video so it'll actually have something to download and show you how to download the video into your phone. I've noticed a lot of your videos on the Hover that are reviewing it don't really go into the application on how to download it into your phone once you've made the video. So okay, that ought to be enough video. Hope this will turn out okay. Now I'll let her land right in my hand. Blink screen, hoop, there it is. Now you leave your drone on or shut it off and turn it back on. But either way, you'll have to reconnect your app. My app is still connected. So if I tap that, you notice now it's got a 1. If I tap that, it'll come up in Wi-Fi to my phone. And it comes up not downloaded. I haven't downloaded that one yet. You can go up here to select. And I'm going to select all because there's only one. Then you come down to here and touch the little arrow. And that will download it to your phone. It'll give you a percentage the whole time it's doing it. Now you've downloaded it. So when you come over to download, it'll show you all the ones you got downloaded. I actually have something to download and show you how to download. And then the app. Your phone. I've noticed a lot of your the app syncs don't really go into the application on how to download it into your phone once you've made the video. So okay, that ought to be enough video.
Hope this will turn out okay. Now let her land.
The application or doesn't record the audio, pardon me. The drone does not record the audio, the phone does, and then the application syncs the two together. And that's it for how to download video from your hover into your phone. Catch you later. Bye.